Hey guys, it's your girl Spencer Sparkle. I'm here to sparkle the world. So right now I'm going to make my hair. But first I think I would like to get akara and bread because I'm really hungry. I've not eaten anything, so I want to get akara and bread first. Then when I get it, then I'll go to the salon to make my hair. But I'm going to meet them first at the salon. Then when I get there, I'll tell them that okay, I'm here. You guys should get ready. But right now I want to eat bread and akara. So let's go. Guys, I'm waiting for them to come. Yeah, I'm at my usual spot, so I've gotten the bread and akara. Yes, you can see that I brought my iPad with me here to keep me busy. Then this is the bread and akara, as you can see it. Then here I have my Pepsi, but I'm not really feeling too good, so I decided to get hot Pepsi. So this is what I'm going to be eating. AC, such a shiny. The God is good.
This one have not come out. Okay.
Okay.
Just come
No worries. No problem. So she's here. My attachment out. It's actually a Kinky from Lush. I'll show you guys better. You guys see it. I know she's going to make me very fine hair. I know. She's my namesake. She's going to make me very fine hair. So see you guys later. I think I'll wait for her. So I should open the place, then I can now start eating my bread and akara. Thank God I've gotten the major things done. So, as you can see, we all have normal lives here. So guys, Esther have helped me lose the hair, so I'm about to wash it now. As you can see, I'm about washing it. So caring. Okay, let me wash it now, guys. See you later. So guys, I finished washing the hair, so Esther has started braiding it. You can see. So, this is exactly the side. I don't know. Yes, no. Guys, I'm done with the hair. Huh? Okay, yeah. Okay. I'm done with the hair now, so I want to do my nails on my leg. So yeah, guys, I'm done with the hair. I finished the hair around after 3 p.m. So thank God. I was thinking I'll finish the hair late in the evening, but I finished it around after 3. So thank God for that. I'm so happy about that.